Hello, if you're looking for a portable tire inflator, then you definitely want to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this inflator so I can test it out, show you how it works, and share my overall thoughts with you. Today I'm checking out this Powools Cordless Tire Inflator. It's small and it's portable air pump. So let's actually see what's inside the box. Here we have inflator itself. It feels lightweight, which is great if you don't want to lug around something bulky. It also comes with a charging cable, so you can keep it up, powered up and ready. It also have a different nozzle attachment. This is nice because it's not just for car tires. You can use it for bikes, sport balls, and even inflatables. And of course, we have a user manual in case you need little help setting it up. So this tire inflator comes with these 4 different nozzles, and you can use the small one to inflate all kinds of balls like volleyball, basketball balls. Then we have this one, and you can use it for inflating like swimming rings. This one you can use to inflate mattresses, and this one comes for tires. Does it ever happen to you that you're just driving and hear, great, my tire pressure light just came on? That's never fun. But thankfully I have this little guy with me, so let's pull over and take care of it. This is why I love having a portable inflator in the car. It's small, it does not take up much space, and I don't need to rely on a gas station air pump. Before I start inflating, I need to check out how much PSI my car tires actually need. So you can usually find this information in your car manual or on a sticker inside the driver's side door, or you can just simply look at your tire. My tire can take maximum 51 psi, but I usually like to put a little bit under that amount. So then I can just set my desired pressure, connect it to the tire, and let it do its thing. And that's it. It only took a few minutes to get my tire back where it needs to be. Plus, it shuts off automatically, so I don't have to worry about overinflating. Another cool thing that it comes with different nozzles. You can use it for bike tires, motorcycle tires, air mattresses, pool floaties, and even basketballs. Super handy to have around. And one thing to remember, after you use it, make sure you charge it up so it's ready for next time. And it takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, and you'll get about 20 minutes of use on a full battery. And here when I turn off all of the lights, I want to show you very quick the light function on this tire inflator. So if we click once on the light button, you can see there's a light. We clicked it once again. Here we have our emergency light. We clicked again. This is start flicking SOS light. And push once again and you can turn it off. Overall, I really love how easy to use this tire inflator. As someone who doesn't want to mess with complicated gadgets, I really appreciate how simple and straightforward it is. So if you're looking for a practical gift, this would be a great one. It's perfect for anyone who drives, bikes, or just wants a reliable little air pump on a hand. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching!